Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where I am reviewing a product that it's not new. It's not. I'm not reviewing this and doing swatches because of newness. I'm purely doing this because I used to love these things and I saw this when I was browsing Sephora the other day and I had a large want and an even larger need to try out these lip products. This is one of the Sephora favorites kits. Specifically, this is the Give Me Some Shine lip gloss and plumper set. I feel like in the past year or so, I just have been a lip gloss addict and Sephora favorites, they used to come out with so many good kits like this. They really did, especially around the holidays, that I would just go gaga over and have a really hard time deciding which one or which ones I was gonna treat myself to. Then sporadically, as the Sephora favorites kits gained traction over the years, they started releasing them more throughout the year, and this is one of them. You know, they do the mascara ones, the perfume ones, that sort of a thing quite often, but it's only 34 bucks and you get 5 products, 3 of which are full size, so like you're getting a great value if, you know, all things considered, whether you end up liking the products or not. But I don't think I've tried any of these. I do have one of the Nars Afterglows because of one of you all was super kind and generous and sent it to me as a gift, but not this shade Laguna. And I don't think I've tried out any of the other products. So I'm really excited to swatch these for you guys, see how they do on my lips. Also, love the butterflies on the packaging. I'm probably gonna have to save this. One of you had recommended this to me at one point. Maybe it was like a year or so ago, but I talked about how I always get so sad because I love, you know, the packaging on things, and then I'm like, I want to keep the box, but like, that's so dumb, Cassie, don't keep the empty box. And someone was like, you can make bookmarks out of it. And I was like, you're so smart. So I have a plethora of bookmarks from random makeup packages, and I'm so excited to make one out of these butterflies. That's adorable. And I know some people are gonna be like, why would you need more than one bookmark? Well, I am the type of person that reads like 800 books at once. By that, it's usually like 3 or 4, but my Fenty Beauty cream looks more like a Fenty Beauty curdle. We're gonna see if we can remedy that. I haven't tried one of these Fenty Beauty creams. I love the glosses. Oh my god, I'm online right now. It looks like Sephora came out with another lip kit of favorites. Is this for the holidays? Oh my god. Okay, so I tend to like to do these swatches from lightest to deepest in case there's any staining. I mean, considering they're all like glosses and balms, I doubt that's gonna be a problem. But I'm gonna start off with, do I need to swatch this? This is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Balm. It's literally a lip balm. It says it's in the shade Blush though. It looks like this is the only one. This is a full-size product, so this is 21 bucks. So almost pays for the whole lip kit here. It smells nice. It smells like kind of a sugar, but on the cotton candy side of sugar. Zoom you in a bit. It's just got a triangle applicator. And yeah, I mean, it says it's in the shade Blush. I don't think there's a tint to this. That being said, it actually feels like a really nice lip balm, so I'm pretty pumped to just have this, see how it wears. Hopefully it hydrates my lips nicely, and I don't know, I think the packaging is cute, the nice opalescence on it. So it'll look cute on my desk here. I can apply it whenever I feel like I need a lip balm, so I'm not mad at that at all, at least not yet. I mean, I would hope. It's a lip balm. It's not going to do anything offensive to my lips, but at the same time, I can never know for sure. So apparently I made an oopsie. I should have swatched this one first, because I think technically the Huda Beauty is supposed to have a little bit of a tint to it. This Milk Makeup Electric Glossy Lip Plumper, I was a foolish. Not a fool! And I was not being foolish, I was a foolish. I thought this would have a red tint to it. It doesn't. It's clear. It's the clear shade. Regardless, this is pumped, and there it is. It's a clear gloss. Well, a plumper apparently. But I never know. Some glosses are called plumpers, and they just are called plumpers because they're glossy, and so they make your lips look a bit more full. This one might actually have plumping properties to it. The scent of it makes me think that anyways. They say it's gonna give an electric yet comfortable tingling sensation and fuller looking lips. Oh my god, is that what I'm smelling? This has Szechuan peppers in it. I'm not the biggest fan. I don't like spicy foods. I'm a baby. There's a very subtle tingle It's really light though, at least so far. I mean, it feels like a comfy lip gloss, but based on that slight pepper smell and also supposed taste, I haven't licked this yet, but I'm gonna say I'm probably never gonna use this, it's a bummer because this is one of the full sizes. But hey, that's just life for ya. It feels a bit more cooling to me rather than tingly, if I'm being completely honest. Now next up, we're gonna try out the Laguna shade from Nars. This is a mini size. I expect it's gonna be a bronze color just because it's Laguna, you know, to go along with their famous bronzer. There actually are quite a few of these Afterglow lip balm shades available now. I feel like they originally only had maybe just the Orgasm. Maybe they had a couple different shades, but now there's 8, possibly only 7, because the Laguna, I don't know if it got discontinued or what, but I don't feel like I can smell anything. So I don't know if there's a scent to this, but let's see. Ooh, this is throwing me back to the 90s and I'm kind of loving it. I used to have a shade pretty similar to this. You know, these bronzy, shimmery, sheer shades were kind of hip at one point for sure. Maybe it was more in like the early 2000s. But I had one from Estee Lauder, I think, that my mom got free from some makeup kit that she ended up giving to me. The lipstick to just whatever. But true to what I already knew about this formula, it went on nice and creamy. Not necessarily creamy, but nice and silky. It's definitely a thinner formula, but it looks really pretty on the lips, honestly. I wasn't expecting to love this shade on me, but I'm kind of liking it, so it's exciting. Kind of wish this had been in a full size instead of the milk, but beggars can't be choosers here. I'll be happy with my mini. Next up, we've got our other deluxe mini sample size here. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Lust Lip Gloss in the shade Flesh 6. It's vegan, supposed to be hydrating, have the shine of a glossy balm. It does look like a really pretty rose kind of a shade. I just hate the name of it. Flesh. Oh, that smells. Oh, I want it in candle form or edible food form. It's like a just straight up buttercream delight. And yeah, that went on beautifully. The color is gorgeous. I mean, like I said, it's kind of like it's like a warm orangey terracotta, but also has, you know, those rosy teakwood undertones to it. Really pretty. I feel like this color looks especially pretty on medium to deep complexions, but I mean, it's working just fine on me as well. The gloss is very slightly sticky or tacky, however you're gonna wanna describe it, but it's really smooth, really creamy, really comfy on the lips, and was easy to apply. So this one might end up being an ultra winner. And then, last but not least, we've got the Fenty Beauty Curdled Looking Cream Gloss Balm Cream Color Drip Lip Cream. I don't know why I never tried one of these when they first released, because I love the original gloss bombs from Fenty. Okay, it smells different than I remember. But maybe that same kind of a cherry smell. Looks like there's 5 different shades of this. The one that was included in the kit is number 2 Fenty Glow. Definitely looks like the Fenty Glow gloss shade. So very universal, rosy, pinky kind of a color. And this I just assume with a cream. Yeah, it says that it's the cult favorite lip gloss now with pure creamy color. Ta-da. So it's just gonna be more pigmented? Well, let's find out. So honestly, I'm not as thrilled with this one as I thought I was gonna be. Maybe it'll be good with wear, who knows, but as creamy and nice as it did go on, it feels like it's just kind of sitting on top of my lips, so it makes me nervous to wear this, and it's a little bit more on the peach side than the rose side, if you ask me, and just on my complexion, I would prefer a rose rather than a peach, but overall, I'm still excited to try out the formula. I'm just surprised I'm not as excited as I thought I would be, just because I love the gloss version of this so much. So yeah, I'm actually gonna re-put on this Laguna. I was not expecting to like this one as much as I do. Subtle but pretty. So yeah, I mean, I'm a fan. Just like I said, I love being able to test out more products, especially lip products. They just, for whatever reason, have always been a favorite thing of mine. And you know, even though this milk one is gonna be a no from me, I think I still got my money's worth out of this kit with these 3 products and then possibly the cream from Fenty Beauty. I don't know, I'm just excited to have these little lip products. I hope you guys enjoyed a little swatching from me, seeing the colors on my lips. Definitely let me know if you want to see more of these Sephora favorites kits tested out on me or swatched on me. Now that the holidays are coming, there's probably going to be at least a few more of them available. So certainly let me know things in general. Just have you tried out these lip products and how do you feel about them? Comments down below. That's what it's there for. You can also let me know if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful somehow, whatever the case may be, by giving it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap the notification bell down below. That was a little preemptive there, my jazz hands. But you can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!